now, isn't it?
Yeah. So I just cut the mufflers off my Audi A8L, as you can see there. See there?
Come a bit further back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a straight pipe to where the exhaust was. But already that sounds awesome. That sounds really good. Those mufflers were drowning the V6, making it sound like a really lesser car. So I'm really pleased with it so far. But yeah, just going to get a straight pipe, bend it at the end, weld it in, put the original cone, end cone back on, and this is what they look like on the floor. So yeah, I'm not too impressed because someone's just bolted one of these look-alike kind of fat exhaust at the end, and yeah, there's the mufflers. They are fixed on with these, obviously. You can see the other end. If you ever want to put them back on, then I've got enough cut there to put a slightly bigger small piece on, weld it through so it's joints back together. But time being, these are off, and the weight of them is not on the car anymore. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the sound of this, but what a difference and what. Okay, I've got pipes there. Okay, this is half the job done. But a heat shield there will protect the car at the moment, but just listen to that. What a difference. I am chuffed, guys. Really happy with that. Right, let me see if I can just pull it here. Have you heard that? That makes such a lovely sound. I just got to put some end pipe on and jobs are good. Hi, this is an extension of the video about the replacement exhaust system that I've done. Basically, I've taken out the mufflers. They were suppressing the V6 engine, I think, the noise, the sound, the lovely sound of the V6. So I took out the mufflers. I'll show you in a minute, but I wanted to show you the so you can hear the sound that it makes now, and it's certainly to me it's massively improved the lovely noise of the V6 off this beautiful car. So what I've done, I'll show you the pieces in a minute, but I'll just start the car up so you can hear it. It's gonna be a cold start, okay?
So yeah, hopefully you can hear that quite well.
It does give a very nice noisy throaty sound. So what I'll do now is I'll show you what the gubbins look like. As you saw in my previous previous video, there's the Y shape of the exhaust coming back after the cat. So there's the joint there. One side goes there, one side goes there to each side, and here is where I cut it off, and company called Performance 3000. I went to them and they've produced this side and then put me on a nice end caps on both of them. So those ugly mufflers and the depressing mufflers are now gone, and I got the lovely sound of the V6 I can hear when I'm in the car, just gently, because the car has got double glazing. There's two panes of glass on each window, so I can really gently hear it. And when out of the car on the motorway, it's just a nice V6 sound, really nice little V6 sound. You see there, that's where the joints are, original joints. So all I've done is take that back box out, and it sounds much better. Next stage is to get it tuned, get it remapped. Sorry, make sure everything's sweet and everything's good. Anyway, I thought this would be an interesting video for somebody if they're thinking about the same thing. Once again, I hope it helps somebody who's maybe in the same position. Okay, thank you.